Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change theme on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to go to wallpapers and style, and then over here we have themes. Tap on themes, and here we'll find all themes that we have installed so far. Now if you open these settings for the first time, then of course you won't have any themes. So we can open the theme store. In order to get something from the theme store, you will need to create the OPPO account, and you will be asked to do that when you try to apply a custom theme. So I already have created my account, but it is really easy. All you need to do is enter the email and then you will get the verification code. So let's choose this theme as an example. So all you need to do is press apply, and then we will see the applying text, and there we go. We have a new theme on our OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!